Hey guys, so I'm kind of feeling a little bit sad today, and it's just because it's not something new, right? But I'm seeing all these kids being kidnapped and killed and raped and all of that, and I'm like, the world is so corrupt. It's such a corrupt place that we live in right now, and it is so hard to protect our children. Like it is so hard, and every day it just gets harder and harder to keep them safe. Like how do we keep them safe? And I'm thinking to myself that it's no longer stranger danger. We can't teach them stranger danger anymore because it's not always the case. Like the persons that can get to them faster, easier are those that they know and that they're aware of. Because okay, yes, stranger, I'm not going to go to a stranger. Them know that. What about the friends and the family? Like those are the people that we should tell them, all right, it's not just stranger danger, but I don't even know the term to use for it, but let them identify tricky people. Like teach your kids that one, anybody that tells you to hide things from your parents or to keep things from your parents, don't trust them. Anybody that's going to say, I'm going to do this or I'm going to give you this, but don't tell mommy or don't tell daddy, don't trust them people. And if anybody comes to you and say, I am going to give you this and I'm going to do this for you and don't tell mommy and daddy, you come straight to mommy and daddy with it. Like we have to teach them that, and it's right across the board. Friends, families, teachers, like anybody at all. Like those are the things that we have to be teaching them, and teaching them that listen, anybody comes to you and say, hey, mommy said to come and pick you up today, or mommy said to meet her there, or mommy said to this, or daddy said to this, no. First of all, stay away from me. I don't care if you're my uncle, my grandmother, my whatever. You need to call my mommy on video call and let my mommy tell me that I need to come with you. Otherwise, I'm not coming. And these are the things that I am having to say to Amari. I'm like, Amari, if you're at school and you see anybody come to you and say, oh, hey Amari, mommy said to come for you today. No, you need to tell them to call mommy so that mommy can say that to you. Because friends are not always friends, family is not always family. And one of the easiest way to hurt somebody is to hurt the persons or people that they love. So we're not friends anymore, family in a contention. Instead of coming to hurt you, the person that they're in contention with, they're going for your children or the persons that they know that you love and value most in this world. So we have to teach them. And then the other thing too is we need to teach our kids to trust their instincts. Like we have to let them develop that trust for them inner self, and that it's from they're very young. So sometimes we're like, oh, go and kiss grandma, or go and kiss your uncle, or give your uncle a hug, or give it, and they don't want to. We'll say, oh, it's your uncle, so go and go hug up your uncle. Or the uncle say, me your uncle, you can't hug me up, or me your grandmother, me can't kiss you. But the child isn't comfortable with that sort of interaction, and we force it. And then what they're learning from that is, okay, my boundaries don't matter. What I want doesn't matter. Once this person is family or this person is an adult, whatever they say or whatever they want me to do, I should do because it's respectful to do that. And if I don't do that, it's going to be disrespect to them. Mm-mm. If you don't want to hug the person, don't hug the person. If you don't feel like go talk to the person there right now, don't talk to the person there right now. Like, trust your instincts. And I'm not saying that when they say they don't want to hug, I mean that person have malice intention towards them, but we have to teach them to trust their instincts and their gut feeling, because we all have it, and then we learn to ignore it and we get ourselves in a crap. So I just came on here today specifically just to say we have to do more than strange agenda these days. Like, it doesn't stop at stranger danger. We need to teach them more, because we're not there 24/7 to protect them and to whatever. We have to teach them how to assess situations and to trust their instincts. And guys, it's just so sad and it hurt me, and I just keep thinking that could have been me, that could have been my child, that could have been my niece, that could have been my nephew, like, all those thoughts, and it's very saddening. So, to all my friends and my family, if any of my kids said no, please respect their no. And if you don't respect their no, then you're not gonna have a problem. So, just saying, protect the kids, guys. Protect them. Protect them. That's all we have to do. And oh, there's a dengue outbreak, guys. So, the mosquitoes, they need to die. So get up your pyro and your bacon, yeah, and do the right thing. You understand? But anyways, that's it. I'm going back to the people at work. So bye.
Him do everything for Talia, everything him do for Talia. I end up kill Talia.
Another promising 8-year-old's life cut short, this time reportedly at the hand of a relative. The police have in custody someone she trusted and closely interacted with, as did other family members with whom he shared a dwelling. Talia Thomas, who holds the title Mini Miss Discovery Bay, was reportedly raped and stabbed to death on Saturday. The 27-year-old suspected killer attempted to take his own life. His father, Cecil Ellis, who says he was in bed all day due to flu-like symptoms, recounts his gruesome discovery.
Me get up and me go use the bathroom. So when coming back from the bathroom, so me have to pass for him doorway. Me said, try what go on, you alright? He said, yeah man, me alright.
Ellis says after about 10 minutes, he heard his son calling out to him, but he wasn't sure the call was from him until his other son confirmed it.
I said, what happened? And he said, he want to go a doctor. So I said, pull the door. So I stay for a while and I wait for the door to pull and I realize that the door not pull.
A forced entry through another door led them to the disturbing sight.
When I go in, I see me lay down in a pool of blood. So I said, try what happened to you? He said, he can't bother with the whole heap of explanation right now. So by the time he use the word, them saying can't bother with the whole heap of explanation right now, I cast ahead of him realize the little girl around there. So I jump over there now and I try to say, well, and I call her by name, Talia, Talia.
Neglecting his son's wound to attend to Talia, Mr. Ellis says his son admitted he was trying to kill himself with a homemade bullet. He says his son later left the family house on a bicycle before collapsing. Started by the incident, the suspect's mother says it was an ordinary day before her son transformed it.
In Goffiar, say him have a surprise for them. But about 4 of them they down there. And in go for the 4 of them yesterday. And the mother tell him say the other 2 not coming because they have their homework to do. So him take Talia, me get to understand, carry Talia come up here, have him round the road round this, so I ride up on bicycle, buy her ice cream and there's something there.
Talia has been described as outspoken and polite, fueled by passion and intelligence. Started by the brutal killing, the family members say they are still in shock and disbelief while pondering the deviation from someone who has no previously or currently known issue. Kimberly Henry, CVM News.